How to make crew logo in Blox Fruits. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll walk you through creating a crew logo in Blox Fruits on Roblox. So if you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing, and once you've subscribed, give it a like and let's dive right into the steps. First of all, head to the Google Chrome and then go to Roblox website, that is www.roblox.com. Navigate to the top of the screen and click on the Create button. This will take you to the dashboard. In the top left, click on Dashboard, and then on the far right, open the Development tabs. Go to the Decals tab where you can upload your own decal. To upload your image, click on Upload and choose the image from your photos and then select it. You can rename it, draw on it, change the description, and once you're satisfied, hit Upload. After that, let me show you how to create a decal using the pre-made decals in Roblox. Go to the Marketplace first, then go to Images tab, search for the image you want to use as a decal, like a clown or a pirate flag, and then click on Get Decal. Once you've added everything, return to the Roblox page, open your inventory, select the decal such as Cloud, copy the link from the top, paste it in the Roblox, and click on Create. Your logo will now be successfully changed. So this was all about it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.